Let's mosey on into the kitchen and gather your ingredients, shall we? You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon each of oregano and salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 cups of beef broth, and 1 cup of water. Now set aside 2 cups of uncooked elbow macaroni and a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. For a pop of freshness, don't forget the chopped parsley for garnish. Begin by heating the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, cooking it until it turns translucent, which should take about 5 minutes. Toss in minced garlic and let it cook for a minute until its aroma fills your kitchen. Next, increase the heat to medium-high and add the ground beef. Break it apart with a spoon while it cooks until there's no pink left. Remember to drain any excess fat. Now it's time for the spices. Stir in the paprika, oregano, salt, and pepper. Add the diced tomatoes, juice and all, along with the tomato sauce. Mix well, making sure every ingredient gets acquainted with the others. Next, pour in the beef broth. If you prefer a thinner consistency, feel free to add a cup of water. Once the mixture comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This gives the flavors enough time to meld together into a symphony of taste. With the base of your goulash ready, it's time to add the uncooked elbow macaroni. Stir it in well, cover the pot again, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until the macaroni is tender. Don't forget to stir occasionally to prevent the pasta from sticking. Now it is time to add the final touch, which is the shredded cheddar cheese. Turn off the heat and stir in the cheese until it's melted and evenly distributed throughout the goulash. Serve your goulash hot, garnished with fresh parsley. Pair it with crusty bread or a simple green salad for a complete and southern comforting meal. And there you have it, an old-fashioned American Southern goulash, hearty and delicious. This recipe is not only easy to make, but also fills your kitchen with an irresistible aroma and creates a dish that's versatile enough to adapt to your liking. So go ahead, give it a try and see how this classic comfort food can bring warmth and delight to your dinner table. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Magnolia Moon channel for more inspiring recipes and soulful content.